Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you and show you how to play Rubik's Cube. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. This is actually a 2x2x2 Rubik's Cube. However, the more common one that you will find is a 3x3x3, and they get even bigger after that. Now, the objective of the Rubik's Cube is to line up each side with a specific color that matches all of the colors on the side. So for instance, I would get all of the white tiles to be on this side. Then I might get all of the orange tiles to be on this side. Then I might get all of the blue tiles to be on this side. And then I might get all of the yellow tiles to be on this side, and so forth. Okay, as you can see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides, and there are 6 different colors on the Rubik's Cube. Now you do this by executing certain patterns on the Rubik's Cube. So you do this with certain movement patterns. You can spin the top in either direction, right? So there are 2 directions with each side that you can spin. You can spin the bottom in either direction, the sides in either direction, okay? And like I said, it gets even more complex with a 3x3x3 Rubik's Cube, or even a 4x4x4 Rubik's Cube. And they get even bigger after that. There are huge Rubik's Cubes. The idea is always the same though, where you have to get all of the colors on a certain side. There are also various things that you can do to memorize the patterns to make it work in a certain way. So as you can see, we're lining up the colors over here. And like I said, I know how to solve all of the different kinds of Rubik's Cubes up to the 4x4x4, but I'm not going to go over that in this video because that's a very, very long process. I have done other videos though about solving the Rubik's Cube, specifically the 3x3x3 and the 2x2x2, okay? So you can go ahead and look those up, but that's how to play the Rubik's Cube. You want to execute certain patterns to try and line up the colors on the sides, okay? Very simple. So like I would try and get all of the orange cubes on this side. Now and all of the yellow cubes on this side, all of the yellow sides of the cubes on this side. One last thing, you have to do it without manipulating the cube or taking it apart. So you can't pull off the pieces. You have to do it only by twisting and turning the sides, just like that. That's how you have to solve the Rubik's Cube. That's it. That is how to play Rubik's Cube. I've shown you exactly how to do it in this easy, simple video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.